Hey everybody, I'm back! This is Jay-Z Crazy! Just because I'm gone for 2 weeks, don't think I'm dead. Everybody needs a break every once in a while. It's called YouTube burnout. And when I go through YouTube burnout, I don't show up for a couple weeks. Okay, that's all there is to it. Anyway, we're gonna go back to Jay-Z Crazy old school today and do what we used to do when I did food reviews. Only for a couple days though, because I found a couple of neat products I wanted to try out. This one is Cheerios. Say it slowly with me because it makes all the difference in how it tastes. I bought Cheerios. But not just any kind of Cheerios. These are Peach Cheerios. Never saw peach. Limited edition. That makes them special. So I can either keep the box of Cheerios forever and then sell it on eBay in 25 years, or I can try it now.
Try it now.
Let's try it now. Oh, Lisa wants to try some of this too. Now, I've had this box since last week, and every day Lisa has been asking me if I'm going to tape a Jay-Z Crazy because she wants to get to these. No. And I said, no, do not touch the box until I tape.
That's not exactly why.
Okay, you explain it.
I wanted to know because I wanted you to tape it. I wanted to see what you were going to do.
Well, you're going to see what I'm going to do now. Here we go. I have a bowl for me, a bowl for Lisa.
I don't need a bowl.
But she doesn't want a bowl of cereal like I do. Which reminds me, I forgot to get the milk to put in front of me and a spoon.
Yep.
After 2 weeks, I'm so well prepared. You'd think I've had plenty of time to think this out. Apparently it wasn't enough. Maybe I should come back in a couple more weeks. Oh. Peachy. Let me get some milk and a spoon. I'll be right with you. I don't know why it's so difficult for me to remember to get everything, but I always seem to forget something. Okay. If you're watching this in the morning,
you only need one
good
spoon.
morning. What?
You only need the one spoon.
You really don't want a regular bowl?
No. Why would I want that?
Oh, I don't know. It's just cereal. Why would she want a bowl and milk and a spoon?
I can't have milk, and the spoon would make no sense if I'm only having a few in my hand.
Okay. That's fine. Would you like your Cheerios in a red bowl or a white bowl?
Yes, please.
This is what I deal with all day. No, listen. It wasn't a yes or no question.
Yes, it was. Because
pick the red bowl or the white bowl before I smash myself over the head with one of them.
Well, the first time you asked
Here we go.
if it was red or
this is
white.
a perfect example of how a 2-minute video will last 20 friggin' minutes.
Because I said yes to the red. I just said yes.
You want the red bowl, right?
Yep. Left.
The pouring of the Peach Cheerios. That's enough. You only want a few pieces?
Yes. Stop.
Are you on a diet?
No, I'm
You
not.
don't need to be. You're thin enough. That's all you want? Okay.
Here.
Okie dokie. By the way, please subscribe. Share my videos in any way possible you can. Whether it's with your friends or your family, whether you do it over the internet or a phone call. I don't care if you print out flyers. Just tell people about Jay-Z Crazy, okay?
Get as many people to watch this, right?
Yes, that's the idea. Okay. Now I remember why I stopped doing food reviews in the first season.
Why?
I don't know. They just feel boring to me.
Oh.
So I'll do this one. And one other one with a cool drink tomorrow. You'll want to really tune in for that one. Here. Everybody, we're going to try our new General Mills limited edition Peach Cheerios. Right now. Okay, thanks. She gave me 2 spoons.
No, I didn't. I gave you a spoon.
Let's see how this works.
You eat it. Through your mouth.
That's very funny. You're a scream. Okay. They smell good. Here, smell the box before you try any.
I smell them in my box. In my bowl.
They smell good to you? Ah. Oh, I like them. These are pretty good. I was afraid.
Me too.
Okay, you made me spit all over the place.
I didn't make you do anything. You did that all by yourself.
Listen, I was afraid. Shut up. I'm not done. I was afraid that these wouldn't really have a peach flavor. Because so many of these foods are disappointing. They'll tell you it's a different flavor. You try it. You can barely taste it at all.
Oh, remember the bursting with fruit flavor?
I remember the first season of Jay-Z Crazy. I tasted some kind of piece of crap cereal which said it was bursting with fruit flavor. And there were little tiny pieces
of grayish
square things that were supposed to be fruit.
And all of them tasted the same.
It tasted like dry cardboard.
Yes.
They're full of shit. Bursting with big pieces of real fruits and nuts. You assholes.
They lied.
Bursting with big pieces. Did you see those pieces?
They were tiny.
Little minuscule things.
I know. It's almost like
I'm lucky if anyone at home could see what I was holding up to the camera. Bursting with big pieces of real fruit. Get out of here. Nuts, clusters, granola, and wholesome multigrain flakes. It's the perfect way to start your day. I'm not starting my day with that shit. Okay, but this actually tastes good. You can actually taste the peach.
Yeah. Yep.
Delicious. General Mills just scored. He scored big on this one. You shouldn't make this limited edition.
We should make it all the time.
Make this permanent. And it has the back of the box says, Life's Peachy. So, not only is it a good cereal, but it's a very positive message. And that's something you usually don't get on this show. Usually you don't get anything positive out of this. Usually you get a bunch of crap.
Well, you know what? It could be positive or it could be negative, you see. If someone has a bunch of rotten peaches and throw them at you, that couldn't possibly be good. It'd be still peachy.
It's not often I find a cereal that I really enjoy.
So you should go back and get some more.
This is healthy too. Cheerios are good for you.
I know.
Because it's all kinds of whole grain that you need.
That's right.
And it says whole grain. First ingredient in every General Mills Big G cereal.
What about the little G?
He left. Little George took a trip. No, G is for General.
I know.
The little General's gone.
Where'd he go?
Big General's here in this box.
He's in the box, really? I knew I felt something weird when I bit into one of those Cheerios. So do you think people should pick this up?
10 minutes of me eating a bowl of cereal. That's what this has come down to.
Isn't that wonderful?
Back to the fun stuff very soon.
Sure.
Spring is going to be here next week. I think Lisa just had some sort of an attack. No, what I'm trying to say is spring's going to be here next week. You stop it. And you associate spring with peaches, right?
No, I associate it with all kinds of allergies.
You always have your own special way to ruin things. I had a thing going here where it was trying to be a positive message.
I'm sorry, but I have allergies.
Okay, I guess you'll be staying inside for 6 months. What do you want from me?
Standing
I'll
on
be
your-
eating my Peach Cheerios.
I bet you couldn't do that on standing on your head.
Right now?
No, later, I mean.
I can't stand on my head. I would break my neck.
Oh.
I have no coordination when it comes to standing on my head.
You could just use one hand to keep you from falling and then eat with the other hand.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. You're lucky I don't kill myself when I make a stupid entrance in here half the time. I'm not going to stand up on my head now.
I didn't tell you
Hey.
to. I said I bet you can't.
Oh, I bet you I can't either.
Oh.
So we both win. I'm not even going to edit this.
What do you mean?
Well, seems like I've been eating this for a while.
Well, you gotta say Jay-Z crazy at some point.
I'm going to take my time. Watch the whole video, everybody. And watch it again a few more times. Watch it again a few more times later. Because you don't want to miss a damn thing I'm doing. It's so important. If you have a Reddit account, look through all my videos and put the real crazy ones up on Reddit.
Oh,
I need some more views. What's wrong with you?
I don't know. I had a thought, but then you started talking.
If you own your own television station,
You do?
well, if you do,
Oh,
feel free to contact me for a syndication deal. We'll put all these on TV. If you own your own planet,
planet. What would that? What?
we can beam these shows to wherever you live.
It'll take like 50 years to get to them.
If you happen to own a TV station on Mars, I'll cut you a special deal if you show these stupid shows that I tape.
Are you talking to people that are going to be in the future living there?
I'm not quite sure of anything I'm saying right now.
Oh,
I think the Peach Cheerios has made me giddy.
probably laced with all kinds of like LSD.
You think? You think they put drugs in here?
Sure.
In the ingredients, it says whole grain, oat sugar, cornstarch, oat bran, canola oil, peach, puree concentrate, salt, corn syrup,
That's puree.
what she said. And there's a few other things I can't pronounce, along with vitamin E, ascorbic acid added to preserve freshness. And then some vitamins and minerals and carbonate and zinc and vitamin C and B and all kinds of good, tasty, healthy things in here. Thank you, General Mills, for the cool, limited edition Peach Cheerios. Pick it up, if you can find it. This has been Jay-Z Crazy.